Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, where we turn gardening dreams into reality. I'm your host, and after a decade of nurturing blooms, I'm thrilled to share one of my absolute favorite, tried and true secrets with you today. How to get beautiful rose cuttings to root instantly and keep your garden blooming all year round using nothing but nature's finest ingredients. No harsh chemicals here, just the gentle touch of the earth. Let's dig in. If you're passionate about gardening and love propagating plants by hand, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. We're going to break this down into simple, actionable steps so you can achieve stunning results right in your own backyard. Step 1. Crafting your natural rooting elixir. First, let's create our powerful, all-natural rooting stimulant. My go-to ingredient? Good old rice. Take 2 tablespoons of rice and soak them in about 200 milliliters of clean water for a few hours. This simple soak unlocks the natural nutrients in the rice, fantastic for encouraging strong root growth in your cuttings. Next up, a true miracle worker for rose roots, aloe vera. Grab a small aloe vera branch, chop it up, and pop it into your blender. Aloe vera is incredible for moisture retention, promoting root formation, and even fending off harmful bacteria. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop a comment below. It's wonderful how gardening connects us globally. And for an extra boost, fresh ginger. Add your chopped aloe vera and a few slices of ginger to the blender with 100 milliliters of water. Ginger is a powerhouse. Antibacterial, antifungal, and great at stimulating tissue regeneration. Perfect for protecting your cuttings and encouraging new growth. Isn't natural gardening just the best? If you're loving these tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos from HH Beauty Garden. Now, blend the mixture until smooth, then strain it to get a clear, potent liquid. Finally, mix this ginger and aloe vera juice with your pre-soaked rice water. This combo is your ultimate all-natural rooting solution, packed with nutrients, keeping your cuttings moist, protecting them from bacteria, and paving the way for incredibly healthy root formation. Step 2. Preparing your rose cuttings with precision. This step is crucial for success. Choose healthy, disease-free rose branches about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Carefully remove all the leaves from the bottom, leaving just 1 or 2 at the very top. This minimizes water loss and directs the plant's energy toward root development. Be gentle. We want to avoid damaging the leaf nodes, as these are where new buds and roots will emerge. Now, make a diagonal cut at the base of the branch. This increases the surface area exposed to our rooting solution, encouraging even faster root growth. Next, dilute your rooting solution by adding 200 milliliters of filtered water. This makes it easier for the cuttings to absorb and reduces the risk of root shock during soaking. Stir well, then soak the base of your rose branch for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This step can significantly boost your success rate. Step 3, the hydroponic greenhouse method. Now for the fun part, we're going hydroponic. We'll use a sponge as a lid to securely hold your cutting, combined with a clear plastic cup holding our rooting solution. This creates the perfect mini environment for rapid, healthy root growth. 1. Pour your rooting solution into a plastic cup. 2. Tie the flower stem just below the leaf nodes using plastic string, making sure the nodes are facing outward. This helps encourage bud growth. 3. Gently insert the stem into the sponge and place it in the cup so that the base is submerged 3 to 5 centimeters in the solution. Now the magic touch. Cover your cuttings with an upside-down plastic cup. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, maintaining stable humidity and temperature, vital for quick rooting. Place your cup in a bright spot but out of direct sunlight. Be sure to open the lid daily for a few minutes to allow air circulation and prevent mold. If your sponge feels dry, just add a little more water to the cup. The moment of truth, seeing the results. After a little patience, it's time to check your progress. You'll begin to see new shoots emerging from the leaf nodes, your first sign that the branch is awake and thriving. Then comes the truly magical moment. You'll spot tiny, delicate white roots spreading in the water. That's when you know your cutting has truly taken root. For any gardener, that's always a moment of pure joy. Once those roots are strong and established, it's time to move your plant to a larger pot. This provides a stable environment, helping your new rows adapt and grow before it's ready for planting in the ground. When transplanting, I highly recommend using coconut fiber or a loose soil mix. This ensures excellent ventilation and keeps those precious roots healthy and happy. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more natural gardening wisdom from HH Beauty Garden. Happy growing, and may your garden bloom beautifully all year round.